In the blink of an eye, the world could be facing a new challenge, a global bird flu outbreak. But fear not, here are the top 6 things we should do to prepare for such a pandemic. First, stock up on essential supplies. Think water, non-perishable food items, and necessary medications. Next, think hygiene. Hand sanitizers, soap, disinfectant wipes, and face masks should be readily available. Third, get informed. Stay updated with the latest news from reliable sources. Fourth, have a plan. Know the steps to take if you or a loved one falls ill. Fifth, focus on health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can boost your immune system. And finally, remember to stay calm. Panic only fuels chaos. In the face of a pandemic, preparedness is key. Be ready, stay safe. Until next time, continue being resilient and wise.